That's a good girl. That's nice. She's marking her territory.
He's just leaving them. Yeah, she smelled that poop over there. She had to leave them.
I should do like a little short movie called Lost Dog.
A lost dog. And I'll be singing, how much is that dog? Yeah.
Did you see that little video clip? That was so cute.
What? Yeah, of Amy? Or,
yeah, the little ballet thing? Yeah.
Maya.
That was
Bill's
so
granddaughter.
cute.
Yeah, I took you out of dance before you could do your recitals.
What?
I said I took you out of dance before we got to a recital.
I didn't even get to do my piano recital.
I know. You missed all your recitals. That's not where we came across. You like my butt? You're getting a good picture
Ducky!
of my butt.
Ducky! Look over here. Good girl.
Here we go. There's the crossroads. Alright, can we get her on this?
I'm going to try. Come on, ducks, let's go.
I'm going to take the short route, see if she takes that one.
Ducky, I'm going too.
Come on, Ducky. Come on, come on, come on. Ducky, come. Ducky, come on, come on. Snack. Let's get a snack.
She's like, I hate this one.
Come on. Ducky.
Wait, I'm going too, baby. Look. See?
Go, Ducky. Ducky, come on. Ducky, come. Ducky, come on.
Come on, ducks.
Come on.
Come on, baby.
Come on, Ducky. Come on. Come on, Ducky. Come on, Ducky.
Come on, ducks. Come on, we're almost there. Let's go.
Head up the trail a little bit. Come on, Ducky. Come on. Let's go. Gotta get a snack. Get a snack.
Come on, Ducky. You can come this way. Oh.
She'll make it. Come on, Ducky. Come on, Ducky. Come on. This is Lost Dog. Ducky, come on. Come on. Come on, Ducky.
Hey, baby. You want a snack? You want a snack? Huh?
Let's go. Let's head around the corner so what she does. Come on, Ducky. She has to be where she can't see or she won't come. Come on, Ducky. Come on, Ducky. Come on, Ducky. Let's go. Ducky. Ducky. Stop. Ducky.
Come on, ducks.
Oh, please, she's just sitting there.
She apparently doesn't like the water.
Why are you just sitting in that water, Princess? Here, let me try this. Come on, right here. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on, ducks. Go over there. Careful, Daddy. There you go, baby.
You got her?
Yeah.
Yay!
Good girl. And she's running towards the car.
Getting as far away from water as you can. Boy, she let those legs stream. I've never seen her jump that high.
That was so cute. cute. Ducky, wait for us.
Ducky. Ducky.
Ducky. Oh, she's waiting for us by the trail, Dad. Come on, let's go. She's waiting right by the trail to get up.
Just the way we came?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Come on.
All right, let's go, Ducky. Get up there. Get up there. You'll climb a mountain. You won't cross a little stream.
That was so funny, and I've got it on film.
The way she left those little streams.
Yeah, I got that on film, too.
100 miles in the air. Boom, boom.
Where'd you go?